it's Mano, and today I will be playing with my sister. Her Roblox character name is actually, come at me.
No, it's not.
Sorry, it's not. Well, it's okay, you don't need to know. She is my sister, and we will be playing together today. So let's just, watch the, it.
What's up, guys?
That's my sister.
Yeah, we're currently spectating Ella Bella Fuzzy 90. That's a very strange name. Ella Bella Fuzzy. That rhymes too. Like, who knew?
Someone just went in the vending
So
machine.
they're in the store. Oh, look at that dude. Just
I thought I saw a bug.
a bug?
Yeah.
In real life or the game?
No, like in the game. So that's it.
Why is this dude standing weirdly? Oh, no, wait. Yes. Okay, this is very
Disturbing.
Yeah. Why do they all have Roblox legs?
Wow, all these boys weird.
Oh my god, I seriously can't.
Okay, that's the it. Okay, this boy's the only normal boy.
I know, right? Except for the fact he has yellow skin.
This girl's normal.
Yeah, she's normal.
Oh my
god, that's weird, dude.
It's so fun just watching him and stuff, you guys. That's how it.
The way he falls.
Exactly. The way he runs.
The way
Yes, the game stopped. Join my game by hovering gold for me and then just do it because I'm your friend.
No, you're not. That's what
I want the attic or the backyard or the kitchen. I want one of those, really badly. And they're all next to each other. I just noticed that.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Oh. Yes! The attic!
I'm probably gonna have to spectate.
Yeah, you're probably going to spectate. But the good thing is you can spectate the it for me.
Yeah.
So my sister is trying to join, and yes, I am not the it. I feel bad so that guy wanted to be it, not the it, but a survivor, and he just became it instead. I love all the people running noises. Oh my! Who taunted?
I'm spectating. Is it JJ?
I don't know. Okay, I'm not paying attention to that stuff. Okay. Ooh, there were coins on top of this. Fell. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm trying to get to this really weird thing I saw. So, yeah. I hope I do it correctly.
Hey guys, welcome back to M for Everything. Today we're actually going to be... What just happened? It just kicked me off of Roblox.
That's what kept happening with me.
Stop talking.
Okay, so you guys, I'm still on the floor and that's actually fun, but I hope he does not see me climbing up this. He will. No! This weird looking guy is already... Okay, good. He just walked really weirdly back. I think he took the first 3 coins.
And I'm about to join.
Okay, you guys. So my sister's about to join. She will be spectating it for me while I'm running. So, yeah.
10 out of 11 players live, 3 minutes, and yep, we're in the same game.
So that weird looking guy's right here.
Now I'm about to start my video.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to be quiet for she can have a good starting.
What's up? This is M from Maha, and we're currently watching a very intriguing game of Hide and Seek Extreme. And I'm going to actually joining my sister today. It goes by the name of Mano Mano, or Roblox Mano. Yeah, I'm just going to be spectating. Let me find my sister. Yeah, 1 second, sorry. Now I'm find my sister. Oh, there she is, DJ Aqua. What's up, DJ? Oh my god, why did you just...
I'm going to coins and stuff, you know that, right?
And there's this girl. Oh, this girl actually is a smart spot.
Where is she?
Right here.
Oh,
Let's see, next up we have... Oh, it's a dude next to her. Here's a weird robot like you.
Okay. So, I will go to
really know where
Smug.
he is.
Oh, someone's already in here? Thanks all for ruining my hiding spot.
But that's where he is. Okay,
Where's the it? Is he which side on the pool table? No. Okay, so it looks like he's on one side of the pool
The it
table.
is climbing up the ladder.
Yeah.
Where's that dude? He's on the lamp. Always trying to get the dude on the lamp. The
Yeah.
weird walking dude. Oh my god, he's walking so weird.
Is it the weird black guy who has really, really weird walking skills?
Mm-hmm. Oh, the it tried getting him. Let's see what the shop has.
Shop's good. I have my pet, the
I'm
TV.
gonna buy the panda next time, but for now I'm just gonna equip Emma.
I already have the panda, so.
I know, but this is my first time playing hide and seek.
Yeah.
Extreme.
In a long time.
Yeah,
She has
I
played
on
with
other
me.
accounts like yesterday, but like this is my first time actually playing like you know, with this account, my YouTube account.
Where's the it right now? Oh, I see
He's
him.
around the pool table.
Around it. Then I'll quickly climb up the ladder and go on the pool table.
Oh my!
As you see,
God.
us sisters are using teamwork to help each other. That's what we do all the time. Teamwork.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, sometimes we don't. Because we're like either for it or we're just mad.
What?
Oh, someone else is already.
Look at how the attic looks from the outside. Did you see?
Oh my god.
I know, that's
Technically,
crazy.
it's an attic.
Oh my god, it's a floating roof. There was no house building.
Oh my god.
There's no house building to this guy? Oh my god.
Where is he?
So, continuing the video, we are going to be, this just killed somebody.
Where is he?
He's still walking around the pool table.
Oh my god, I'm at the pool table. Let me just okay, I think he wants to go.
Oh no, he fell. I'm gonna spectate you to make sure you don't fall off. DJ Aqua in the house. Oh, there you are. Why am I so zoomed out in life? Oh no, that's way too zoomed in.
I took a big risk, you guys. But there's not even that much seconds, so I'm gonna run to him.
Oh, that's fun. I love
You
running.
can't get me, na 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 boo boo. You can't get me, ha 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 ha.
You're not even going for. He's like, whatever. There's no point in trying.
There was a point. There was a big point because I just stayed there.
Okay, this is gonna be so much fun.
Okay, so let's do this. I really want the backyard
the
or the
attic.
kitchen. Backyard or kitchen.
I want the attic or the kitchen.
Yeah, or the backyard. The backyard, attic, and kitchen. Yes, the kitchen.
The kitchen got chosen.
I'm gonna do the most riskiest thing ever.
I want to be the it.
but just
I wanna
in
be the
coins.
it.
And I don't want to be the it.
My chance is 5%.
And I have like to round it 11% of being the it. I better not be the it. Yes,
It was
it's a
the
weird
weird
walking.
walking dude.
It. Where are you gonna hide? In that weird oven spot we found?
No.
I'm gonna hide there.
Okay, I'm gonna hide like. I don't know. I'm gonna start off with good. Oh no.
I don't get the coins before me.
Dude, let me try getting some.
No.
Please save
This
me
is
from
the
me.
time where we don't do teamwork. We're against each other.
That's pretty evil. Okay, there's no point trying there.
Where were you? Okay, now I'll go find some lonely coins to collect. I love collecting them because then they're not lonely anymore. They're with me.
Oh no, I've never played this on the computer before.
You never play on Seek Extreme on the computer?
Nope.
It's so easy.
No, it's not.
Okay,
This
don't
is
tell me
not
that guy's
easy.
gonna get the coin. He got the coin on the fridge. I just heard him collect it.
No, I suck at this.
Yeah, you do.
Dude, on we're supposed to be teamwork. Can you remember?
Okay, well,
Oh no, he's almost.
I'm
out
still
now.
running and I'm like
I have to go somewhere. I'm still running on the floor.
on the floor. I'm hiding somewhere a little bit, but he can see me, so I'm gonna go right. Okay, he fell. I'm gonna spectate him to make sure he's not near the oven.
Why is he coming closer to me? Okay, let me spectate this.
So I see him.
Oh, he just killed somebody.
Yeah, but that's
He's coming towards the oven.
I'm not even in the oven yet.
Okay, good.
Luckily, that noob did not lead me there.
Look at that dude in the very bush.
Usually, the best spots to hide is where it's have not been.
What? I did not know about that area. Oh my god.
So I'm gonna see where are you right now?
You know, since he just checked there, I'm gonna go there.
Me too.
Because then he won't suspect that somebody went there.
Yeah, but first you gotta make sure he goes away.
Where is he then?
He's in that cabinet in front of me. Oh my god.
Where is he now? Spectated for me. I'm just like
I
staying.
think he saw me because he's trying to jump somewhere. That's near me.
Bro, I'm just like slowly going to the actual kitchen area. Oh my god, this is like super.
Do you see him chasing me?
I'm not spectating.
Oh, I
him.
died. I
saw it
died.
happen. I saw it happen. Well,
I'll spectate him for you. So he. What?
Spectate him.
Oh, this is fun. I'm actually gonna stay here. No, I won't. So, where are you? Okay, so he's on the oven place. Where are you? He's on the oven place, like near the oven. Okay, like he's like right here next to the pot. So don't move.
I did.
Did you fall off?
No.
Good, cause he's like, he's gonna. Oh my God, he's teleporting. He teleported.
That means I can't go because now you can see everybody. What is this dude trying to do?
He's going to the fridge. He sees a girl who's leading him to you. So I'll run because
To me? Dude, I'm right here.
Oh, you left?
I was always here.
Hmm.
I'm just trying to find a safe path to the oven once I have time.
Well, he's on the cabinet, so he has a view of everything right now.
Yeah, exactly. You know, this is a really good spot. Nobody really looks here.
Where is that spot? Oh. Okay, he just killed someone. He does
Dude,
not.
it's just me and somebody else left. I feel so proud.
I don't.
Yeah, you died.
Okay.
But he still has
He's
minutes.
still on the top of the cabinets.
Why is he not leaving?
I think he thinks someone's gonna just come. I think he's going back to teleport or not knowing he can just fall off simply. No.
He's trying to go in the starter cabinet?
Yeah. He did not know.
Oh my god, I'm gonna stop spectating. He's coming pretty close.
And he fell off from the cabinet, which is really close to you. Where are you right now? You're running. Oh my god. I think he sees. I see you, so he must. He's going back. Okay, well, he doesn't not see you.
I'm wearing.
He sees you. He sees you. Okay, not anymore. Not anymore. He's not anymore. He doesn't see you anymore. He sees you. He's going. He's going.
No, I was so close.
Wait, where's that person?
Who's that person?
Oh, she's on this chair.
Oh my god. So he saw me, but not her. So stupid.
She was on the chair. That's why. Now she's just running for her life. Because I don't know how far it is, but I don't see it.
Oh my god, he sees her.
Oh my god, run! Girlfriend T!
Oh, that was a good game.
When there's like one person, they leave the game. They're like, I cannot do this anymore. But that guy did good.
Yeah, technically he found them all. He just killed them all. Attic.
Backyard.
Why do you like the backyard?
Backyard's so... that works. I'm gonna get so much coins, you guys. And he'll be out by... Okay, what if you're the it?
Then I can't get them first. Oh, it's so weird walking people.
I mean, it's cool the way they stand, but it's just weird how they walk.
Yeah.
I see the weird walking guy. Hey, he's not weird walking anymore. What are you doing? Mine. I keep getting them. There's one on top of the cash register.
I don't care. You get it.
I did not get it.
Yeah, no kidding.
I got that.
I got it.
No, I got it. Where?
Yeah, she's off.
I'm trying to look for that shelf that has a bunch of coins. I found the shelf that has a bunch of coins. I landed on it. Boom, I made it. I'm getting all the coins on it.
I'm just gonna be like over here looking.
Where are you right now?
I see you.
Oh, I see you. Are you like near the wine glasses?
Yeah.